Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Hey Plus 1S with Android and the app that is called Hey Plus. We've seen before with the original or the first generation of Hey Plus how to connect it, and now it's time for the Hey Plus 1S. This is the second generation. That's why it's called Hey Plus 1S. And we have here the app, as you can see, Hey Plus. Let's go ahead and open it. And when you first open it, as you can see, everything looks normal, because immediately after you log in and turn your Bluetooth on, when you go in the app, it will automatically find your device that is near you and connect it. So in this case, we know that our device is connected. As you can see, when we go to the device manage, we can see the percentage of battery and all the options. So in this case, we don't have anything to do, just to go in the app and it will automatically connect. If you have any trouble with that, just go to the device, press search, and it will find your device immediately. Or go comment in this video down below if you have any problem with that, and we will try to help you. So let's begin with these options that we have right here in the first page. As you can see, we have the logo in the top. In this circle we have today's activities or steps. We have the target steps and how many steps we did until now. Also, we have here keep app running in background. So in this menu we have the apps that are allowed to run in background. Underneath that we have these options right here. So we have transit card, access card, clock face, health, sport, notifications, alarm, weather, and support. The traffic card, access card are only used, as you know, in China with their NFC. The NFC in Hey Plus 1S works only in China. Unfortunately, it doesn't work in Europe, America, or anywhere else. We can go check them one by one. But it will take a while to see all of these. As you can see, immediately it's bouncing us in the first page. Let's go to the clock face. I think it will be better to see all the faces that we have right here installed. As you can see, they are pretty much similar, but with different theme or different looking. We can download. These are 6 options that are already installed. We have the dial center, when we customize a dial or install a new one. Let's go back. Now let's go to the health. We have here the health page. As you can see, we have steps, heart rate, sleep, all with data or statistic right here. As you can see, we have some statistic for steps, but nothing for heart rate or sleep. That's why, because we didn't use this, we didn't start to use this watch yet, so we don't have any data in these options. But we can clearly see that you can check these out without any problem, go through them and read for your information. We have next the sport. As you can see, we have running, riding, and free training. In running we have the distance, kilometers, running days, completion, burned calories. We have here sport, recent sport record. As you can see, running, all of these are running, indoor running. So basically this is like a history of your running record. You have all the information or the kilometers that you did here in the right side, and also you have your minutes, pace and burn calories down here. Let's go to the riding. As you can see, we have temporarily no data for now because we didn't try the riding mode. Next we have free training. As you can see, we have the hours, training days, burn calories and the completion. We have the recent sport record. As you can see, all the data is saved right here. Next we have notifications, which is the maybe one of the most used option in a smartwatch. You have all these options, all these notification from option to notify you in the watch. So for me, I always turn on the incoming calls and SMS. Also, you can go ahead and turn the unread notification red dot reminder. You can turn on the to send notification only when screen is of the phone is off. And here you have the apps to notify you. As you can see, we have Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp and others. So we can make other, for example, YouTube. We have all these apps to notify us, and you can put or turn on everything that you want to get notified from. Next we have alarm. Here we can add an alarm and the alarm will go off in the watch. As you can see here, if you turn on the alarm here or from the watch, you'll have the icon of alarm. Also you can see the red dot right here that I turned on before for the notification that are unreaded. As you can see, notification are still coming even though I have do not disturb turned on my phone. Next we have the weather. As you can see, you can add the weather, the city that you are living. You can add right here and the weather will be notifying you in the watch. And the last one is support. Here you can go and send the app a feedback, or if you want something that you need help, you can go to the help center. In the left top corner we have the menu. As you can see, we have account, profile, third-party data, background running and settings. Let's go to the account first. As you can see, you have your nickname, phone, email, password, and all these accounts also sign out in the end. We have profile here. You have to go, I say this every time, but you have to go and fill these up carefully. The weight, the height, body weight, and your birthday. So all these measurement of heart rate and steps, all these will be more accurate, will be more accuracy in these results. Sorry for that. Let's go now to the third-party data. If you have the We Run, you can access to this app. Next we have background running. I showed you this before. These are some instructions for background running. And the last one is settings. Here in settings we have the language. Here you can change the language. Now with new update, you can change the language here in the app. Other languages I think will be here with some updates in the future, but for now you have the simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese and English. Also in the settings we have the update log, software license and software agreement, also the privacy policy. Here in the bottom you have the current version. As I told you, here we have the device, we have the percentage of battery, and at the top we have idle alerts, gold notifications. Let's turn the gold notification on so it will notify us when we reach the step goal. We have here lift wrist to view info, swipe to unlock, heart rate detector, wearing method, do not disturb, app sort, card package settings, me notebook unlock, return to key vibration reminder, dial power bar, band opening wide, find bracelet, restored bracelet, switch the language, fireware version, Bluetooth address, device ID, and unbind in the end. So as you can see in this page we have quite a few options, so you have to go through them one by one and change them in the way that you prefer for your own preference and for your own needs. So whatever you need, you turn it on or you use it. Whatever you don't, turn it off so it doesn't bother you. So guys, this was all for today's video on how to connect the Hey Plus 1S with Android in the Hey Plus app. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below and we will try to help you. Thank you for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.